Hey guys, I'm Daniel Sanchez, commercial sales and leasing agent with Lange Real Estate. Today we're at 3101 South Broadway in Wichita, Kansas. We've got a 5,800 square foot office building along with a 5,600 square foot service repair garage on 6.5 acres. Let's take a look. Come on in. Built in 1945, the office underwent extensive renovations in 2013 and features over 10 offices. You've got a sizable and secured accounting room area, and also you have a cubicle area for additional officing with a kitchen area as well. This property has been meticulously maintained and is move-in ready. The entirety of the property features asphalt paving. You can safeguard yourself from the elements in this bonus storm shelter. You have power available in this storage shed along with a 10-foot overhead door for ease of access. This 7-bay service center was built in 2010, features 2 restrooms, 1 break room, an integrated office, and has 16-foot ceiling heights. Visit langre.com for more details and other featured properties. This is Daniel Sanchez with Lange Real Estate. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.